Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose Ultra Open Earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you the fastest way to hard reset these earbuds. So let's start. So first of all, you have to insert these earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert them one by one. Make sure they are properly connected. And then you have to leave this charging case open. In the next step, you have to press and hold this back button on charging case for 20 seconds. Okay, so I will press and hold this back button for 20 seconds. And then after 20 seconds, you will see this status light will turn off. Okay, and then you can leave that button. So we just have to wait for 20 seconds. So you can see the status lights are turned off. Now you can leave this button. So guys, you have to do this step 2 times more. So again, I will press and hold this back button. So I will press and hold this back button for 20 seconds and then these lights will turn off. So we have to wait for 20 seconds. So you can see the lights are turned off. Now I can leave this button. Now we have to do this step for third and last time. So I will press and hold this back button for 20 seconds. Okay. And then this status light will turn off and then it will turn on and then it will blink amber. So that means the hard reset has been done. So we have to wait for 20 seconds and then I will show you. So you can see the lights are turned off. Now I will leave this button and you will see this status light will blink amber for 3 seconds. So we just have to wait and then I will show you. So here you can see the lights blink amber. That means these earbuds are completely hard reset. Now you can easily connect these earbuds with your device. So now I will show you how to connect these earbuds with your device. So just open your phone's Bluetooth settings. Okay, so I will open my phone's Bluetooth settings. Here you can see it is showing Bose Open Earbuds Ultra. I will select it and then it will start making the connection, and here it will ask for pairing request. So I select this pair option and then here you can see Bose Open Earbuds Ultra are now connected with my device. You can also connect these earbuds with Bose Music app. So I will open the Bose Music app. Okay, and here you can see it is showing Bose Open Earbuds Ultra and now it is connected. You can open it and then you can use all the features and functions of these earbuds. So guys, please note that I made a separate video about how to fix the connection issues for these earbuds. If you have any connection issue, you can watch that video. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.